Canada, once the most sought-after destination for Indian students, is now turning them away in record numbers. The rejection rate has now soared to alarming levels. According to new data from Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, a staggering 74% of Indian study permit applicants were rejected in August 2025. That's nearly 3 out of every 4 students turned down, compared to just 40% globally and only 24% for China. So clearly here it seems like Canada has a clear demarcation when it comes to India. They are looking at us as a country that is problematic. I'm going to tell you why. In fact, a year ago, in August 2023, India's refusal rate stood at just 32%. Fast forward now to 2025, approvals have plummeted, with only 1,196 of 4,515 Indian applicants being cleared. The total number of applications too has also crashed from nearly 21,000 to barely 4,500. So as much as Canada is resisting, Indians also now holding back from applying in Canada. But the numbers are quite glaring. 74% down. That's how much they've rejected Indian student visas. Couple of reasons. One is Canada has tightened its cap on international student permits. 2, widespread fraud, including fake acceptance letters coming from India, that's triggered this tough vetting process. Internal Canadian documents now in fact labels Indian applicants as country of specific challenge, leading to additional scrutiny. The reasons being because of fake applications coming to fore. And while officials deny political bias, the India-Canada diplomatic chill also certainly adding to the strain here. For Indian students and families, this does mark as a turning point. The once certain study, work, stay routine to permanent residency in Canada is now under question. Thousands are being forced to rethink their plans and look beyond Canada. So what's beyond Canada? Well, experts point to a couple of other countries that you could explore. Germany, topping the list. New Zealand, France, Singapore, South Korea are all emerging as favorites. In fact, Germany has now overtaken both US and Canada as a top choice for Indian students. According to Upgrad's Transnational Education Report of 24-25, Germany now attracts nearly 32.6% of India's outbound students. While applications to US and Canada have fallen sharply, UAE has also risen. At least 42% of UAE's international students come from India. European nations like Ireland, France are also gaining ground, signaling that the global map of Indian education migration is rapidly being redrawn.